10 essential home-cooked dishes for entertaining guests. Don't miss the last one. The first course should not always be big fish and meat. Try this fried yam with fungus. Light, delicious, and nutritious. Preparing to peel long yam. Cut into sections first. Then change the knife and cut into diamond-shaped slices. Put salt, sugar, and a little starch in a bowl. Add half a bowl of water and mix well. Make into sauce. The water in the pot is boiling. Add half a spoonful of white vinegar and a little cooking oil. Pour in yam and fungus green and red pepper and blanch for 1 minute. Take out and set aside. Stir-fry garlic slices in another pan. Add the blanched ingredients. Then pour in the prepared sauce. Stir-fry over high heat until evenly distributed. Simple, delicious, and nutritious. Second course. Why is the restaurant's twice-cooked pork so delicious? In fact, the method is very simple. You can learn it in a few minutes. Fresh pork belly cooked in cold water. Add onion, ginger, and cooking wine and cook for 15 minutes, then remove. Cut into even thin slices. Little oil in the pot. Pour in the pork belly and stir-fry slowly to release the fat. Add ginger, garlic, dried chili, and bean paste. Continue to stir-fry the dried chili pepper and bean paste to produce red oil. Then add green and red pepper, salt, chicken essence, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir-fry over high heat to get the flavor. Finally, sprinkle garlic leaves. Stir-fry for a few times and it's ready to serve. Do you think it's very simple? The third dish is stir-fry beef with chili pepper. It is a favorite side dish for many people, but it never tastes good when made at home. Today, I will teach you how to make it. The texture is smooth and tender and delicious. Slice beef with light and dark soy sauce. Mix the oil-consuming starch evenly. Cooking oil locks in moisture. Heat oil in pot. Pour in beef and spread quickly. Fry until color changes and set aside. And cook ginger, garlic, millet, spicy, and green pepper. Add a little salt and stir-fry for spicy flavor. Add the beef and stir-fry twice. Finally, add soy sauce in chicken essence for seasoning. Just like this, a stir-fried beef with chili pepper is ready. Spicy and appetizing. Smooth and tender taste. The fourth lane. Do you know how to make tomato roasted tofu delicious? You do it like I do. Delicious and easy to eat. You can learn it by watching it once. Slice tofu and soaked fungus under boiling water. Blanch for a minute longer and take it out. Put soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken essence, half a bowl of water and starch in a bowl. Mix well and set aside. Heat oil, salt onions, and garlic until fragrant. Pour in the diced tomatoes and stir-fry the soup. Pour in tofu and fungus. Simmer on low heat for 2 minutes. Add green pepper. Pour in the prepared sauce. Cook until the soup is thick. Stir well and serve. The tomato roasted tofu made this way is so fragrant and goes so well with rice. You should also try it quickly. The fifth step is to make beer duck. Remember not to blanch. Don't just put it in the pot and fry it. Not only does it have a fishy smell when made like that, the taste tastes bad. Actually, all you need to do is add a handful of flour to the minced duck meat. Blend for 2 minutes. Add water and mix repeatedly. Flour has strong absorption properties. Can effectively clean out mucus and blood. The jug treated in this way is very clean. Then rinse it several times with clean water. Wash the pot and add a spoonful of rapeseed oil. Add the jug meat and fry until the water is dry. Add ginger and garlic. Stir-fry dried star anise leaves and chili peppers to bring out the aroma. Season with light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sour chicken essence. A can of beer removes fishy smell and adds aroma. Appropriate amount of water to cover the ingredients. Cover and simmer on low heat for 40 minutes. Finally, add some green and red pepper. A handful of garlic sprouts. Reduce the soup over high heat and serve. The beer jug made this way is very delicious. From now on, you will do the same as me. If it doesn't taste good, you can eat at my house. The sixth course, don't use cucumbers for cold salad. Just need to do one more step. The fried cucumber is crispier than potato chips. Wash the cucumber and cut it into thin slices. Put in bowl. Sprinkle a little salt and mix well. Marinate for 10 minutes to release the moisture. Then add water to wash away excess salt. Squeeze out the water again. It will be crispy and delicious when fried in this way. Stir-fry the pork belly in hot oil to release excess fat. Add garlic slices, millet, spicy dark soy sauce, and stir-fry it to bring out the fragrance. Pour in cucumber, free soy sauce chicken essence. Season with oyster sauce. Turn on high heat and stir-fry for a few times. Crisp and refreshing. If you like it, try it too. If you want to eat fish after the 7th pass, you are like me. Easy to make at home. Spicy and delicious. No matter how big the fish is, you don't have to worry about it not being able to fit it in the pot. First, cut the fish into large pieces. Then add salt, pepper, onion, ginger, and soy sauce to make wine. I like moderate amount of starch. Catch it and mix it evenly. Marinate for 20 minutes. Heat oil and sprinkle with a little salt. This makes it less likely to stick to the pan. Add marinated fish. Remember not to flip it first. When one side is golden, turn it over when he's not paying attention. If both sides are golden, fish them out for him. In another pot, add spicy ginger, garlic, and millet. Stir-fry a spoonful of bean paste until fragrant. Fry the red oil. Put the fish pieces. Cook a spoonful of cooking wine along the side of the pot. Half a spoonful of mature vinegar to remove fishy smell and add fragrance. Then add appropriate amount of boiling water. Fresh soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, and chicken essence to taste. Turn on high heat to thicken the soup. Sprinkle green onions and it's ready to serve. Once you learn how to make it, try it for your family too. The 8th method of winter melon is to do this. Better than braised pork. If you don't believe me, try it. Winter melon pick from the tree and cut into small pieces. Heat oil, add garlic slices, and saute until fragrant. Pour in the winter melon and fry until golden on all sides. Add a little water to taste. Salted chicken essence, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Cover, simmer, add water and start to thicken. Just add some chopped green onion before serving. Home-style roasted winter melon. Tastes better than meat. If you want to eat it, hurry up and make it. The non-pets never expected. Sample celery fried vermicelli. If you do it well, it tastes better than meat. Simple method. Delicious and easy to eat. First, soak the sweet potato vermicelli in boiling water. Add dark soy sauce and salad oil, mix well and set aside. Break the thicker celery in the middle. Then pat the celery with a knife. This makes it more delicious. Then cut the celery into small pieces and set aside. Hot pan with cold oil. Add pork belly. After frying, add onion, ginger, and garlic. More fine spice powder to taste. Add cooking wine and dark soy sauce and stir-fry until fragrant. Then add the celery and stir-fry evenly. Add another 2 tablespoons of water to taste. Salted chicken essence and white sugar. Add vermicelli. Turn on low heat and let the vermicelli absorb the soup. Then you can take it out of the pot. Don't make the soup too dry. Leave a little more soup for more flavor. Isn't it easy to prepare meals? You should hurry up and try it too. No? 10. You won't think of it. Soak the pork in milk for 10 minutes. The food is even more delicious than barbecue pork. Eat fresh and tender. You can learn it just by looking at it. Put the pork belly. First cut into 2 cm thick slices. Then soak it in milk. Because the protease in milk can soften the meat. This way it will be tender and smooth when fried. Pickled onions and ginger slices. A spoonful of oyster sauce. A spoonful of light soy sauce. This is the key to delicious food. Season garlic salt and pepper powder. Add cooking oil. A little starch. Like me, wear gloves on your left hand and mix well. Marinate for 20 minutes. Heat oil in pot. Fry the pork chops. Fry slowly over low heat throughout. Fry until one side is golden brown and crispy. Salt and pepper pork chops. Ham flavor beauty. So delicious that I can't stop eating. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and save it.